Welcome to linear integrated circuit class. Today we are going to see about clamper, the operation of clamper circuit. So we have seen the operation of clipper circuit, how it produces the output waveform from the input types of clipper, positive and negative clippers. So we will see today's class the clamper, the operation of clamper circuit. So this is the clamper circuit which has the inverting input is connected with the input Vi, and it is connected with the capacitor, and the output is then connected feedback with the diode, and positive non-inverting pin is connected with the reference voltage V reference. So I am going to explain the clamper circuit under three circumstances. So initially you don't consider there is no input Vi. So at that condition the capacitor will not hold any charge, so the capacitor voltage will be zero, and we will be giving the reference voltage alone. It has only the reference voltage. So under such condition the V reference will, the positive V reference will be appeared at the output V reference. So it is a positive voltage, then the diode will get forward biased. I will be getting V0 as a V reference. So next we assume I am giving the input signal Vi to the circuit. So assume that I am giving the input Vi, that is plus 3 voltage to minus 3 volt. So I am considering 3 volt. So assume that the negative portion is appearing at the inverting terminal. So we know that output, the op amp will produce the difference of two input signal, that is V plus minus of V minus. So here it is negative signal I am getting non-inverting pin, so I'll be getting V plus V minus. So I am getting positive voltage at the output. So the diode will get forward biased. Then the capacitor will charge. So this is assume this is the maximum of Vm voltage. The Vin having the maximum of Vm voltage, then the capacitor will be charging to Vm. When there is no input, it will be charging up to V reference. So the capacitor will hold the voltage of Vm plus V reference, that is the capacitor voltage. So now consider I am getting the positive positive signal here. The positive side of my input is I am getting here. So here the positive input V reference. So the output will be the V reference minus of V, that is Vi. So here I will be getting the negative output. So negative voltage though, and then obviously the diode will be open. So the diode will be in open condition. So the V0 will be whatever I am giving Vi, and whatever the voltage the whole capacitor is holding, the addition of both are in series, then the addition of these voltages will be appearing in the output. So we know that V0 will be equal to Vi plus Vc. So the capacitor voltage, we know that Vi plus capacitor voltage is nothing but V reference. Capacitor voltage is V reference plus, so V reference plus Vm. Already we have seen the capacitor voltage is V reference plus Vm. So final output voltage will be V0 is equal to Vin plus V reference plus Vm. So this is how we'll be getting in the output side. And let's see how we'll be getting the output. We will see in terms of waveforms. So we have seen we know V naught is equal to Vi plus Vm plus V reference. So consider the input signal Vi. This is the input signal Vi. So plus 3 volt to minus 3 volt. This is Vi. So and the output signal, consider the output signal. This is my output signal is 0, and now I am considering a reference voltage as V reference voltage as 1 volt. Consider V reference as 1 volt. So this is V reference 1 volt. Now I am going to find out the output waveform. So Vi is going to will be varying. Vm is constant, that is 3 volt, and V reference is 1 volt. So V naught is equal to Vm is 3 volt and V reference is 1 volt. So now I am considering the input signal from starting from 0 to plus 3, and also we will see for the negative portion. So if input voltage is 0 plus 0, then the V naught will be 4 volt. If my input voltage is 1, then V naught will be 5 volt. If my input voltage is 2, then it will be 6 volt. If it is 3, then it will be 7 volt. So it starts from 4 volt to 7 volt. That is 1 volt, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. During positive half cycle, the output voltage varies from 4 volt to 7 volt. 4 volt to 7 volt. So we will see in the negative half cycle what will be the output. So in the negative cycle, we will see if my input is minus 1 volt, then the output will be minus 1 plus 3 2 plus 1 3 volt. If my input is minus 2 volt, then it will be 1 plus 1 2 volt. If it is minus 3, then it will be a 1 volt. So it varies from 3 to 1 volt. So already 4, so 3 to 1 volt. So this is how I will be getting the output. So here it is shifted to a 1 volt to the positive side, then it is called a positive clamper circuit. So this is the DC value, 1 volt is added in the output side. So the positive clamper also called as, or clamper also called as DC inserter or DC restorer. So this is how the negative clamper also works. The negative clamper, the clamping will be happen in the negative side. So I hope this operation of clamper circuit understood for you. We will see in some other topic in the next class. Thank you.